Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Serena here, back with another video. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow me on all socials at Hey Siri _ on Twitter. Now we're not in the bag along talking, so let's get into this video. Alright, so in this video I am doing something that is really out of my comfort zone, and I'm very nervous. So I don't know if you guys have ever seen people do talking to strangers on certain apps or whatever. So I will be doing that. However, I'm not gonna do it and try to pretty up myself on all them things. No, I'm doing it disguise, and this is how I look. Alright guys, so I'm using the monkey app to do this, and alcoholness, but we're gonna catch people reaction. I'm gonna probably ask them, you want to be my boyfriend? You know, make up some storylines as I come along. So let's do this. I'm very nervous, so let me do this. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Okay, boost me up.
I'm gonna do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this.
Okay, so let's get it in. Them not see me ever again, so it don't matter. It don't matter. It does not matter. Hi. Yo, hello? Hello?
What's up?
Hi. What you doing? I'm just chilling. What you doing?
Speak to me?
I'm chilling. What are you doing?
You speak to me?
Yeah.
Hi. Hello?
Yo, what's up?
What's up? Where you from?
Yo, what's up?
Where you from?
It's the word. Shit, I'm from Harlem.
Harlem?
Yeah.
Do you want to be my boyfriend?
Shit, where you from?
I'm from Jamaica.
Word.
Mm-hmm.
Heard you what part?
Westmoreland.
Yeah, you can be my girl.
So if I show you how I look, you promise you will stay with me forever?
Yeah.
Do you love me?
Hell yeah.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh God. Hello? 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 What you doing? Just chilling. Can you rate me from 0 to 10? Could you rate me from 0 to 10?
You need a trouble later. Yeah, trouble there, you boy.
Oh my God! I would say, oh my gosh, that was so. Oh my God. This is so funny. Oh my God, this is so funny. I cannot do this. I will laugh at these people. All right, hold on. Hi. What you doing?
Yeah, I'm on my break.
You on your break? Are you looking for a girlfriend? Maybe. So, do you want to be my boyfriend?
Sure.
Okay. So you will love me regardless of how I look?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
No need.
What do you think?
You don't need to judge. I mean, like, are those eyelashes on top of that?
No. They're, you know, that's how I do my eyelashes. I got them
Oh,
laid
my
the other
Lord.
day. Just so you know.
You're crazy. That's a good one, though.
Huh?
That's a good one, though.
Oh, thank you. Hello?
Yeah,
Hi.
man, that's tight.
What's you doing?
I'm chilling.
Are you looking for a girlfriend?
Yeah.
Would you accept me regardless of how I look?
Yeah, I got you.
Okay. Do you love me now?
Huh?
Do you love me now?
Yeah.
That's class.
But why? Can I well still, sir? Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Am I high or what's that?
Why you say, am I that high or what's that? Hello? I think he peeps me. He peeped me. He saw me. Oh God. Hi. How are you? I'm good. You want to be friends? Quickness. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm great.
You're great. That's good.
Yeah, it's pretty boring when you have no one to talk to.
Oh, that's so sad.
No, I meant like while I'm taking a shit. Like it's pretty boring. I don't. I'm just kidding.
Sir?
Well, I am in the restroom, but I'm already done.
TMI. This guy telling me he's taking a poop. Okay? Weird people out there. Hello?
Hey,
Hi.
now you sound like you. Little ass house.
What? You're being very mean.
What?
That's rude. They rejected me.
Beautiful.
Hi. What's
How
up?
old are you?
I am
How old
21.
are you?
21.
21.
Mm-hmm.
You got piercings too, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
A nose piercing.
And I got some girls too.
Oh, you gay?
No, I'm not gay.
You got some what? Girls.
Grills.
Oh, let me see your grill. That's real grill.
Real grills, bruh.
That look like aluminum foil.
No, it real grills.
How much you pay for?
I pay like $50.
Oh hell no, grill ain't no damn $50.
No, I got a plug.
You
Man said, ain't no real grills.
special delivery.
Hello?
Special.
Hey, yo. Hey! Does your dog want me?
You ugly.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good. And you?
I'm good. You want to rate me from 0 to 10?
Huh?
You want to rate me from 0 to 10?
Sure.
How much would you give me? And be
I'll
honest.
give you a 7.
A 7?
Yeah.
Wow, thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Because you're a beautiful black woman.
Oh my. I like you. Thanks. I respect that. That was so sweet. Hey,
So,
what's up?
it's cool. And where are you from?
I'm from Jamaica.
Oh, I'm from Boston. That's really far from where I am.
Really? Do you think... Alright guys, so I'm gonna just wrap up this video because this is too much for me right now. Probably. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up. Not that bad looking, right? All right, so guys, that was really fun, and I'm about to wrap this video up. Like, comment, share down below what did you think of that. Like, that was really funny. Like, some of those people, they were very rude, and I found it really funny. Hopefully I got everything and it comes out smooth. For this video, I just want to say thank you to everyone who keeps on watching my videos, and don't forget to share with your friends. Like, you can share with your friends my video. Just hit that button down below that says share, and share with your friends, share with your family. And don't forget to like and comment. Like, comment even if you think you don't know me. Comment, I will respond. And yeah, I just want to say thank you for continuously watching my videos. I really appreciate all the support. And as I normally say, we're not in on the bag of long talking, so let's just cut it right there, and I will see you next weekend in my next video. Bye.